Hello and welcome back to the Cooking with Ruf cooking show on YouTube, where we are coming to you with a Cooking with Ruf Unedited update. Hey folks, it's been a while. I know those of you who have watched the channel and tuned in since the beginning have noticed that the shows aren't coming out quite as often. And chalk that up to summer, chalk that up to busyness, chalk it up to a lot of things, but I wanted to just come before you all and provide a channel update to let you know we are still intending to bring content for you. While we're here, want to also celebrate a significant milestone on the Cooking with Ruf show, as we recently surpassed 500 subscribers. That's right. So I couldn't have done that, or we couldn't have done that with the Cooking with Ruf show and channel without you and your support. So I want to send a sincere thank you to you, and also let you know that over the next few weeks, I will be also uploading a few unedited episodes as Cooking with Ruf is about to hit the road. Check that, hit the globe. Oh wow. And I plan to bring you some unedited content from a unrevealed location. So you have to stay tuned in order to find out where in the world is Cooking with Ruf going to be. So anyway, there will be probably about a 3 to 4 week window where you'll maybe see a couple of unedited episodes, and then we will look to get back into the swing of the regular Cooking with Ruf show. And so certainly looking forward to bringing you all the unedited and edited content here in the future. Again, want to thank you all for helping the Cooking with Ruf show reach 500 subscribers. Again, without you all, we couldn't do it. And I need to come up with some sort of idea. I did a little something earlier. But just to make sure that we are engaged with the channel, I want to give away a shirt. You see me rocking the Blahicano gear, or the Cooking with Ruf original shirt, or even a shirt yet to be named. There's some other designs in the works as well. So I'll be coming up with something to engage you all and then do a giveaway as a celebration of 500 subscribers being surpassed. So anyway, thank you all again. Have a great rest of your day, and we look forward to catching up with you soon from an unrevealed location. Thank you for watching Cooking with Ruf.